In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Chase IHG hotel points on app. So if you have points available within your Chase account and want to use it within the IHG application, the best way to do it is you can move these points directly from the Chase mobile app to the IHG app. So what you need to do is just head over to the reward section or the benefits or reward section within the application, which you should find on the dashboard or within more settings. Inside, you'll be able to see the option on the bottom called all partners. You can simply head over to all partners and simply find the IHG application or the IHG partner. Now once you tap on the IHG option, you have a section of transferring points. So you will have the exact option of typing in the total amounts of points that you're trying to transfer to the partners. So once you add in your points, you can simply tap on next. And once you have successfully done that, you simply need to head over to your IHG application and simply redeem the points that should be visible within. So this is the exact way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.